I was suffering from mold toxicity, gut imbalances, hormone issues, chronic fatigue issues. I worked with her and kept just bugging her saying, hey, I want to learn how to do this. And she kept saying, I'm working on it, right? And so finally she did the Integrative Healing Academy and I jumped right in. And they basically told me, oh yeah, there's no such thing as mold toxicity. So tried pretty much everything and was just really super angry. Totally didn't trust Big Pharma anymore at all. And I told Sandy, like when we first started working together, like I feel like I had the tools, I just didn't know how to use them. So I didn't know in what order, how you should go, what it should look like. Things dramatically got better. And I think what really drew me to Sandy was that, and this is gonna sound really funny, but I'm a killer, right? Like, so everything I had in my body, like I just wanted to kill off, right? Like I'm like, if I can just kill everything, then I'll be good, right? I'll be good. But Sandy's whole philosophy is you have to really rebalance your body first. So get all your systems up and working and functioning optimally, then your body can handle those sorts of things. My body was so weakened by so many things that I had tried and done to myself, and there was no way that I was just going to keep killing stuff, right? And I was ever going to get better. So by trying to really work with my own body and my own innate ability to heal, rebalancing all of my bodily systems and functions, that I got to a place where my body's like, oh, okay, we're kind of safe. We're kind of comfortable now. Let's look at all these things. And in the right order, we can tackle some of those things and you can absolutely heal.